Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Cardano's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right around these areas, and I said this move up by itself is not really that important because it is kind of predictable, since in this phase we can identify an impulse on the downside, and what happens after a 5-wave down, you know it, some sort of a move up, and we need to pay full attention to the shape of the move. If we get a very strong move on the upside, fair enough, that can be an optimistic sign. If our move up is going to be weak, that's a bad sign, indicating we are probably going to have some more downward price action in the short. So what happened, as it turns out, this was a slow move up, and I would say probably in form of an ABC zigzag, and we got one more move down. Question: can we argue this point right in here in Cardano is going to be our final bottom? The answer is yes, you can argue that. However, I am having a slight problem with this structure right in here. And the main problem is actually this shadow around this area. This chart is from Kraken. Do we have the same shadow on some other charts? Let's go, for example, on crypto.com's one. Do we have it or not? Yes, we have it. Let's go on Binance's chart. Yes. What about Coinbase's one? Absolutely. So I'm gonna say the shadow is actually real. And with that in mind, I believe we really cannot find an impulsive structure in this phase, and the odds are this is going to be just a simple ABC zigzag down, which is kind of unlikely to happen into the last leg of a move on the downside. And for example, after it, the bottom is going to be in and we're going to start a big move up. No, usually in the last leg of a move down, we are able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and not some sort of a 3-wave movement. Now, here's a very important point. This doesn't mean that from here in Cardano we're going to get a move down. No, we can in fact do something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then something like this, because on a higher degree, maybe this is 1, this is 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 3 correction for another move up into wave 5. And you probably know what I'm about to say. Don't be fooled by this impulse on the upside, because it might be into a C leg of an expanded flat, which may have started from this point and it's gonna look something like this. Can we have another scenario? Yes. For example, from here or maybe just a bit higher, we can actually get our move down. The point that I'm trying to make is this: in Cardano, because the previous move down, the last one right in here, from my point of view at least, didn't have the proper structures in it. To me, this means maybe we should be a bit more patient and careful, because odds are this whole move is a correction, and what's going to happen next, we are probably going to see another move on the downside. And for now, I am going to consider this one as my primary possibility. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Cardano. And until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.